What's the something that you've done to tempt somebody recently?
I'm not big on tempting. I just tell them what they're gonna do.
She a freak in the sheets.
We're gonna do a double interview.
All right, I love it.
Yes.
Two angels on either shoulder? Wow, that's great.
Yes. Which one's the one that's gonna tempt me, and which one's gonna tell me the right thing to do?
You know, I think we could do both. Like, Leanna's definitely Leana is kind of the quintessential good girl, but she is pretty naughty. So we do kind of have to take turns.
Oh, what's speaking of a naughty, good girl, angel, devil situation? What's the something that you've done to tempt somebody recently, or
I think wear this dress.
Oh, wear this dress. Oh, wow, that is tempting. Wow, who knew?
I feel like it's the moment, yeah.
It is the moment. Yeah, it's phenomenal.
I'm not big on tempting. I just tell them what they're gonna do and take control.
Tell me more.
I honestly, I told the guy yesterday, I told him, I was like, okay, so I'm going to go take a shower, and then when I get out, you're going to come onto the bed with me, and you're going to eat my like, and that is what we did. He said, okay.
Wait, what was this situation? Because I feel like this is a first time experience.
Oh gosh, no. We've had a lot of. I was like, what were we watching? We were watching a movie. And then I was like, I'm gonna go do this thing. When I'm done, you're gonna meet me in bed and you're gonna finish me off. And he said, okay.
I like
Familiarity breeds confidence. I think that's.
Oh, you know what? I 100% agree with that. But you know what? There's been a couple girls where first time I was with them, they got way too comfortable, and that was kind of hot too.
Oh, yeah.
They smacked me around. And I was like, wow.
Define way too comfortable.
Like we're having sex for the first time, and she smacks the shit out of me. And I'm like,
You know what?
I
That's
kinda like
confidence.
that.
That's hot. I like it.
Confidence. That's feminine power.
Right. I was thinking it. I was like, I don't think I can pull that off. I need a couple more times for me to do it, but for you to do it on me, I approve.
Okay.
You know?
Okay. As long as you felt safe.
Well, same.
It's hot.
Yeah, I do. So thank y'all so much. I can't wait to see all of your awards that you may win tonight.
Thank you.
And where do you want people to find you?
The Leana Lovings on Instagram. That's TheLeanaLovings.
Oh man.
AlisonRayFans.com, ALISONREY fans.com.
Boom. And I'm Javi Mag with Kiss and Tell. Thanks for watching.
Javi!